Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss a new chapter, that is Daisy the cow. So students, in this chapter we will meet a small little boy whose name is Jim and his aunt Katie. Okay, and we will find that he is enjoying himself on the farm. Okay, let us start the story. Let us see what happens in the story. Now students, let's read the story Daisy the cow. Jim likes the animals on Aunt Katie's farm. He likes Billy, the little black goat. He likes the noisy hens and the gentle sheep. So students, first of all, it is introducing you, this chapter is introducing you to a small little boy whose name is Jim. So it says that Jim likes animals. What animals? Animals that live on Aunt Katie's farm. Okay, so he has come to visit Aunt Katie. Okay, Aunt Katie's farm, and on Aunt Katie's farm there lives many animals, that is the little black goat, noisy hens are there, and gentle sheep is also there. As you can see in the picture, Jim is catching Billy, that is the little black goat, then noisy hens are also there, and he also likes the gentle sheep. Then it says, but there is one animal Jim is afraid of. Now, first of all, it is telling that Jim likes all the animals on Aunt Katie's farm, but except one animal, because Jim is afraid of that single animal. Let's see who is it. Jim says, I am afraid of the bear with the horns. It stares at me with large brown eyes. It makes a loud noise. Okay? So here Jim introduces that animal. He says, I am afraid of that animal, of that bear. Now, as you can see in the picture, there is a cow, but Jim thinks that this cow is a bear. So he is saying that I am afraid of the bear with horns. Okay, bears don't have horns. Cows have. So this is a cow, but he thinks that this is a bear. Okay, so he says that I am afraid of the bear with horns. It stares at me. Now stare means gaze or glare. Okay, he says that it stares at me with large brown eyes. So he is afraid of its large brown eyes. And it makes a loud noise. That this is also one of the reasons why Jim is afraid of this animal. Aunt Katie says, that isn't a bear. That is my good cow, Daisy. She will not hurt you. Now Aunt Katie interrupts Jim and says that the animal which you are thinking to be a bear is not a bear. Okay, this is Aunt Katie. She says that it is not a bear. But it is my good cow. This cow is very good in behavior. Okay, and then she says that she will not hurt you because she is good in behavior. She does not hurt anyone. After that, but Jim is not satisfied with Aunt Katie's answer and says, but Daisy is making loud noises at me, says Jim. Jim says to Aunt Katie, but Daisy is making loud noises at me. Daisy is the name of the cow. Okay, Aunt Katie says, no, that is Daisy mooing loudly. But then Aunt Katie explains Jim that no, that is the sound of the cow. Okay, it is mooing loudly. Why? Because she is hungry. Okay, she is hungry, that is why she is mooing loudly, so that I can feed her. I can give her some hay to eat. Aunt Katy gives Daisy some hay to eat. Now students, what is hay? You can see in the picture Aunt Katy is holding a dry grass. Okay, hay is actually a dry grass used as animal food. So Aunt Katy is telling that the cow is hungry, that is why it is mooing loudly, so that I can feed her with hay. Slowly, Jim walks up and stands beside Daisy. She makes a soft moo sound when he pats her. I'm not afraid of Daisy now, Jim tells Aunt Katy. So now, when Aunt Katy gave the cow some hay to eat, now the cow was very quiet and soft towards everyone. And then, when Jim went beside the cow and patted her, okay, the cow made a soft moo sound. So now Jim was satisfied that this cow will not hurt me. So he became happy that now I will not be hurt. This cow is good. So he said that I am not afraid of Daisy now. So now he says that I am not afraid of this cow or say Daisy. Now students, let us see some new words from this chapter, that is Daisy the cow. Noisy, Noisy, noisy. Afraid of, Afraid, afraid of, of. Horns, horns. Stairs, Stares, stairs. Large, Large, large. Hurt, Hurt, hurt. Hurt means injury. Hungry, Hungry, hungry. Hungry is the feeling or showing the need for food. Moo, moo is the sound of the cow. Now students, we will discuss some hard words from this chapter. Number 1, noisy, Noisy, noisy means making a lot of noise. Gentle, Gentle, gentle. Gentle means very polite and soft. Afraid, Afraid, afraid. Afraid means scared. See, this boy is scared of this spider. Horns, Horns, horns. See, this cow has 2 horns. Stares, Stares, stairs. Stairs means gaze or glare. Number 6, large, Large. Large means huge or big. Okay, so this elephant is a large or huge animal. Katie, Katie. Katie is the name of Jim's aunt. Hurt, Hurt. Hurt means injury. Loud, Loud. Loud. Hungry, Hungry. Hungry. So students, these are some hard words from this chapter. Now students, we will discuss question number A from this chapter, that is understanding the story, on page number 35. Let us start. Question is, put these pictures in correct order. Write the numbers 1 to 4 in the boxes. Now here some pictures have been given. We have to put them in correct order as it happened. Okay? We have read the story just now, so as it happened, we have to arrange it like that. So students, see the first picture, Aunt Katy is giving some hay to the cow. Picture number 2 is Jim is afraid of the cow. Why? Because cow is mooing loudly. Picture number 3 shows that Jim pats the cow and the cow is very polite now. And picture number 4 shows that Jim is playing with little black goat, that is Billy. So students, as we started the chapter, first of all it was introduced that Jim like few animals on Aunt Katie's farm, that is he likes Billy the little black goat, he likes the noisy hens and the gentle sheep. So this will be number 1. Okay, if we arrange it sequence wise, then it will come first. Number 2 will be Jim. When the cow was mooing loudly, Jim was very afraid. So this happened on the second position. This will come on second position. Then on third, when Aunt Katie told Jim that the cow is mooing loudly because it is hungry, so she gave it some hay. So this will come on third position. And the last position will be fourth, that when the cow has eaten hay, Jim goes to the cow and pats her. So now the cow is polite. So students, today we have discussed chapter number 5, that is Daisy the cow. So hope it was interesting learning today. Hope you have enjoyed learning a new chapter. We also discussed some hard words, and we also discussed one question related to this chapter on page number 35. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.